children. Kitaan niyo, ipaskwila sa public, kahit o just private mo, pa sa bata, kay bumo kung mula gila. Batlay mo. So, makita gid nila sa ilahang first impression sa code, ang mga different pronunciation, grammar, kay ang young children, they are visual man. No? Kung may first impression nila, pero kung makamaestra mo tagahi, mara yung masunod because the code given to you is may maimuhang ma-influence ka. So, different social linguistic codes. So, in the later development, kung matiguang na, hindi bata, the theory is refined to show how coding principles vary. Pero pagkabata mo, kung sa imuhang ma-learn, mo dito. But, in aral tiguang na ta, we learn that principles and codes are different, are vary, and how these variations can be formally modeled.